how to order Uber Eats for someone else. So if you want to order Uber Eats for someone else, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your Uber application. You can go with Uber Eats. Once you open up your Uber Eats, here you will have rides and then Eats, right? So you just need to simply switch to Eats, which is on the right side. Now, in my case, I don't have the Uber Eats, but you can just simply go with the Eats section, and then you can simply search for a meal. You can simply go with the search section, and under search you can simply search for a meal and then select the meal. Once you've selected the product, you can add that to cart, and you just need to simply go with your cart, and you can go with checkout, which will be on the bottom of your screen. Once you go with checkout, it will ask you the delivery address, right? Pickup and delivery address. So you just need to simply go with your delivery address, and under your delivery address you need to enter the address of the person to whom you would like to send the Uber Eats. So you just need to simply enter the checkout address, and it will be sent to that particular address. That's how you can order Uber Eats for someone else by changing your location. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.